Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little purse with a pocket. It's designed to fit Welly Wisher size dolls, Hearts4Hearts Girls, and similar size dolls, anything from 13 to 17 inches tall. But before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a helpful link in the description below on YouTube. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here. Fold the pocket piece in half. Sew on two sides of the pocket, forming an L shape with your thread. Cut the corner and clip the edges of the pocket. And then you're ready to invert the pocket. I like to use a chopstick for that. Push the raw edges inside the pocket and use a whip stitch to close it off. Place the pocket on top of the outer fabric. So you're going to have an outer fabric and a lining fabric. You want your pocket about 1 centimeter from the top. Sew on 3 sides of the pocket. Here's a little clip showing me sewing on 3 sides. Now your pocket looks like this. Lay the printed lining fabric over the top of the outer fabric with the right sides facing. So you'll see the brighter color is against the gray of the outer fabric. Sew across the top and bottom of this swatch of fabric. Now it looks like this on one side, but it looks like this on the other side. Invert the swatch like you see here. Next, pick up the strap piece and fold its edges inside as shown. So what we're doing here, we're sort of making a piece of bias tape. Folding once more, creating your own double fold bias tape. So you fold the side and then the other side in, and then you fold the whole business in half. Of course, it's fine to purchase your bias tape if you like instead of making it. You're going to whip stitch to close off your handmade bias tape. If you need help with whip stitch, I do have a tutorial for that. Now you have a strap that matches your purse. Attach the strap on one side of your purse, basting it to just the lining's fabric. So if you notice, we're not attached to the gray fabric here, just the lining. Baste stitches, by the way, are long straight stitches. Do the same with the other strap. Make sure that your strap doesn't get twisted when you do that. Again, baste stitch. Here's a close-up of those baste stitches. Fold the purse in half with the lining side out. Sew both sides of the purse shut. Stitch from the top of the lining's raw edge to the bottom of the lining's raw edge. You want to incorporate your straps into your stitch on both sides of the purse. Here's a video. You can see I'm going over the straps and sewing the bottom and the top. Clip off those corners. Here's a little video to show what I mean. You want to be real careful that you don't cut too deep. Invert the purse And now you're ready to try it on your little doll. She looks so happy. Look at her going to town with her purse on her shoulder. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please tell your friends about my website where you can find lots of free patterns for doll clothes like this little dress. Goodbye.